Thinking about renting a U-Haul trailer for your move? It's a great option if you want flexibility and don't mind doing some of the work yourself. Here's what you should know before you hitch one up and hit the road. U-Haul trailers come in different sizes, from small cargo trailers for boxes and small furniture to larger enclosed trailers that can hold the contents of several rooms. Choosing the right size depends on how much you're moving and what type of vehicle you'll be towing with. Always double-check your vehicle's towing capacity before renting. U-Haul Trailers offers 3 different classes of trailers: cargo trailers, utility trailers, and car motorcycle trailers. Cargo trailers are designed to be lightweight and aerodynamic to save you on gas. Utility trailers are open trailers that are perfect for landscaping or oversized cargo. U-Haul offers options to tow your vehicle if you are driving one of their rental trucks, or if you simply need to tow a vehicle. Next, make sure you have the right hitch and wiring set up. U-Haul can help install or check these, but it's important your vehicle can safely connect to the trailer's lights and brakes. Safety is key when you're towing extra weight. When loading, balance is everything. Put heavier items toward the front of the trailer and distribute weight evenly on both sides. This helps prevent swaying while driving. Also, secure your items tightly with straps or rope to keep them from shifting during the trip. Drive carefully and give yourself extra time and space. Braking takes longer and turning corners will feel different when you're pulling a trailer. Take it slow, especially when backing up or driving through tight areas. When you return the trailer, check that it's clean and empty to avoid extra fees. It's also smart to inspect it before and after your trip for any damage. Renting a U-Haul trailer can be an affordable and convenient way to move, especially if you plan ahead and take the right safety steps. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.